Here are the vote cast. Solomon Asumedu had 15,235 votes. Bernard Bediako Baidoo of NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. I repeat, Asumedu Solomon NPP had 15,235. Bernard Bediako Baidoo NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. Total valid votes 33,516. Total rejected ballots 303. Total vote casts 33,819. With the figures mentioned so far, Director, with your permission, I, Eric Osu Jemfi, the returning officer of Akwatia constituency, declare Bernard Bediako Baidoo as the parliamentary candidate elect, MP elect for Akwatia constituency. Thank you very much.
So it's now confirmed.